Aloha and welcome to KTA Kitchens. I'm Chef Ryan Covert and today I'm going to demonstrate how to make a grilled sesame cauliflower. Let's get started. Cut cauliflower into florets. For the marinade, place the fish sauce, sesame oil, lime juice, and hot sauce into a small bowl and mix well. In a large bowl, toss cauliflower and half of the marinade until evenly coated. Marinate for 10 minutes. Preheat your gas grill on medium-high. Grill cauliflower until tender and charred, 8 to 10 minutes per side. Once grilled, place back into the bowl and pour the remaining half of the marinade. Next, add the green onions, sesame seeds, and toss evenly to coat. Serve this zesty, healthy side dish with your favorite main dish. For the full recipes, visit KTA Superstores.com/recipes.